welcome back to my YouTube channel TechnoKidz. I welcome you all to part 3 of Space Tutor in Scratch 3.0 tutorials. Now let's start coding this part 3 of the game. Let's open the folder which we saved, the game. Yes, now let's open the Scratch file. Yes, now it will show Scratch is loading. Let's put it in maximized mode. Yes, now it will take a few seconds so that it can set everything up. And during that time, let's close Windows Explorer by right clicking and close window. Yes, Scratch has started now. Now let's test everything out so that we know everything is working. Up arrow. Yes, it has gone up. Let's start again. Down arrow. Yes. Again start. Yes. Yes, it's going left. Yes, it's going right. Now let's try firing. Yes, the sides are working. Yes, everything is working as expected. Now we'll need a background music, right? So let's start by importing the background music from a Google Drive link. I've shared the link in the description. You can import all sounds to your laptop by using that link. Then we'll import it to Scratch. Now I'll open the link. Yes, this is the link which I've shared. Now just hold your mouse pointer. Then otherwise you can do it like this also. Yes, by clicking Control, then selecting all, and then right clicking and then download. Yes, now it will show preparing download. Yes, it will show zipping. It'll take a few minutes. Yes, it's ready. Now it has been automatically downloaded. Now let's open it. Yes. Now choose extract to, and then you can use this in C drive desktop. There we have created a folder called Space Tutor. In that you can select that and OK. Yes. Now the extraction will automatically start. You can otherwise, if it doesn't work, you can choose copy files to clipboard. That's also easy. Then we'll go there. Yes, everything is automatically here. Now let's import this into the Scratch project. Yes. Go here, then just paint. Then change it to all audio. Then you can go to the code and then go to sounds, delete pop, click here upload sound, then go to the folder Space Tutor and then select all. You can use Control. Yes, let's select all of them and then click on open. Now the first 4 is easy, the other one is 100 seconds, so it will take a time to upload. Yes. Now this is the explosion. Yes. Next explosion. This is another explosion. This is laser shoot sound. Yes, that's a small sound. And this is our background music. Yes. Now let's choose this. Just drag and drop it to the backdrops. Then you can delete this from here. Go to the backdrops, delete pop, keep this there. Then when green flag click block, forever. Then let's go to the sound, play sound until done. Let's see. Yes, the background music is working. Now go to all audio again. Go here, costumes and then sounds, laser shoot, and then drag and drop it to laser sprite. Put here laser sprite second. Then delete it from here. Go to laser. Yes, we have got laser to shoot 2. We don't need that. We need 16. Check. Yes. Then when I start, we'll have these 2 blocks. start sound. This is only enough. Otherwise, until the sound is finished, the other scripts won't run. Let's see. Click space to type. Yes, we can hear the laser sound. Now we haven't started coding anything yet. Let's start coding by the lemons. Click on paint, then rename it to lemons, and then go here, laser, then go to all audio. When green flag clicked, hide. Yes. So there's no interruptions now. Go here to lemons, costumes. Let's draw the lemon. There's a small limit in size so that it should be exactly right, which is 11 boxes here and then 8 boxes down. Go here, fill. We can put it to 17, saturation 100 and brightness 100. Now let's draw a simple circle. We adjust it to the size later on. Make this a little smaller and then put it to the center. Then do like this. Now let's see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Yep, it's correctly 11 here. Now we'll just move it up and down. Fit it to these boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and yes, it's only 7. We'll put it one more box. Yep, now it's exactly 8. Now go here, select, then snap it to the center. This is so that lemons can have a smooth start. Yes, now let's make it to the shape of a lemon. Choose this here and then move it a little here, like this. Choose the same thing here, move it a little like this. Do the same thing here also. This we won't use it too much. Here also this much only is needed. Yes, now we have got, now you can see this, we have got the size and the shape of a lemon. Change this to lemon. And now go here, paint. Put this to big. And then go here, box. Put this to equal to, then do it, make it more small. Then lemon, then put it as big as you can. Yes, now see, it's fully this color. Now let's do it as we did for others. Let's start when green flag clicked. This is needed for everything, otherwise it may not start. When green flag clicked, it should hide automatically. We don't want the original to come here. Yes, green flag clicked, hide. Now the next thing which we need is switch costume to lemon block. Here we go, looks block. Yes, switch costume to lemon. We'll put that above here. Switch costume to lemon block and then set size. Yes, set size to, we'll need it as 300. That might be large enough. Yes, the next thing which we need is go to back layer. Yes, go to back layer. We'll put it here. Now we'll change this to go to back layer. Yes. Now you can see the lemon is there. But we won't see anything else now because we have put the hide. Then go to control. Wait 0 seconds. We'll change that later on. And then we'll put the forever block. After putting the forever block there, my blocks, new enemy. Enemy. That's the thing which we need here. Yes, now let's put this new enemy block here and then wait 10 seconds. Yes. Now also nothing is being shown. Now we'll need two variables which are dir and then for the sprite only, then again speed for the sprite only. Yes. Now here switch costume to, yes, switch costume to big. Then here go to x 0 and then y also 0. Now we'll need to choose what it will do. Set dir to pick random block we need. See, from -180 to 180. Now the next thing which we need is point in direction block, and then drag the dir here, then move -350 steps, then it will go backwards. Then the next thing which we need is switch costume to lemon block, set speed to 8, we'll just drag the set dir and then speed to 8. Then the next block which we need is create a clone of myself from control. Now let's start. Yes, you might be wondering now we can't see any clones of the lemon. It's because it doesn't know what to do when I create a clone of myself. It doesn't know what is it. So let's define it for it. When I start as a clone, that time we'll require this to be shown. Now we'll go here and then my blocks wrap around. That's a block which we'll need later on now, and then we'll define it, then show, then block, forever block, and then here we go change speed steps, or we can put move speed steps. Move speed steps block, switch costume to big, yes, and then switch costume to again wrap around, and then after that switch costume to lemon. You won't actually be able to see the effect of wrap around until part 4. After part 4 we'll be able to see the why wrap around is used and how it is used. Now let's start defining what is wrap around. Now the thing which we need is here is if block. If here again, and then put one more if over here, and then here we need a few more blocks. This block here, and then put y or x here. I'll recommend using x here. Then the next thing which we need is 350. Then we need it to set x to 350 minus 350. Now let's put x again here, operators block, then motion block again, x position minus 350, then set x to 350. Now let's take the if block, if else block, and then again put one if block inside that. Now get the same things here also. Here we go one here, we'll snap one here and snap one also here. 350 here, and here negative 350. The next thing which we are using here is y position, minus 350, then set y2. Here we have set it there one minus 350, so here also minus 350, and again duplicate this, put it here 350. Yes. Now you all might be thinking that there isn't really x till y till 280. It's only that till 280. So we'll change it to here. Yes, 280. Yes, now it fits to scratch requirements for x and y. Yes, it's been a long time since we tested something. So now let's test something. Yes, let's click on the green flag. Yes, so now let's click on the green flag once again. First time when we click on it, it won't do anything. Yes, now let's try choosing this. Yes. You might wonder that why nothing are getting hidden. It's because we haven't set it. It doesn't know what to do if the laser hits. Now if you want the lemons to hide, you will have to wait for part 4. So that's the end of part 3. I wish you all the best to completing this until here. If you really like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you really liked it and you are waiting for part 4, or you would like to receive a notification when I upload part 4, then subscribe so that you get a notification when I upload the new video for the part 4. So bye everybody, see you all in my next video.